It's a 2018 Lexus RX. This RX is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Continuously variable automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, smart device navigation, memory steering wheel settings, heated steering wheel, auto tilt-away steering column, and V6 engine. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Lexus of North Miami, we're located on US 1 Biscayne Boulevard in North Miami, just minutes from the Turnpike I-95 and 441.